Okay, now here's the corner of Luna and Farragut, and this really doesn't look like this was city plowing, because city plowing doesn't leave little breaks for people trying to get out of their parking space. Kind of surprising. Wow. Some of these people will be able to get out. We do know that there's a couple of guys in the neighborhood that have plows on their trucks, so maybe the plow ferry came by, and Russell's going to be here till Saturday. But somebody plowed. Awesome. Not so awesome for those that are plowed in, but it's really funny. It's almost like, oh, maybe they came out and shoveled out where the plows pushed up by. I haven't walked down Farragut, but I wonder if somebody went through our alley. That'd be awesome. Have to go check. This time I came out without gloves. Not a good idea.